In the name of God Almighty. Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're quite well. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the short U sound patterns. Short U sound is up, like drop. Short U is a monophone, which means that a single vowel sound. Short U sound patterns. U followed by a single consonant VC pattern, like an. Consonant digraph, which means that two letters creating one sound. Consonant digraph is considered a single consonant or a single sound. So we have luck, judge, lunch, hatch, brush, song, sunk. U followed by a double consonant. What is meant by a double consonant? Two identical consonants. VCC pattern, like summer. We have a rule which is called Floss rule or Floss rule. If a one-syllable word has only one vowel and ends in we double the last letter. So we have fuss, down, stuff, and buzz. U followed by two or more different consonants. VCC pattern or VCCC pattern. Dust and ground. U in the middle of two consonants. CVC pattern, like sun. In derived words, a single consonant is usually doubled, like cut, cutter, hug, hug, while to keep the short vowel sound. Vowels are shortened when they are followed by voiceless consonants. Here, the voiceless consonants are t, t, k, s, sh. The voiced ones are t, z, ch, j. So here we have cup and cup, but a in cup sounds shorter than the a in cup. So cup, but cup. O adjacent to some consonants. O adjacent to M. Come, company, campus, mother, some, stomach. O adjacent to M and N. Among, Monday, money, monk, monkey, month. O adjacent to when. Another, done, front, honey, none, nothing, one, once, onion, sun, sponge, ton, tongue. O adjacent to N and W. One, wonder, wonderful. O adjacent to V. Above, cover, discover, dove is a bird, glove, love, oven. With OU, country, couple, cousin, double, southern, touch, truffle, young. URR plus vowel. The sequence URR plus vowel is pronounced R in British English and in American English. So currency, current, hurry, occurrence, or currency, current, hurry, occurrence. CCVC or CCCVC. Consonant clusters or planes, like stuck and struck. Variant pronunciations. British pronunciation and American pronunciation. Bar, burn. Courage, carriage. Nourish, nourish. Her, her. Why, why. Anybody, anybody. Everybody, everybody. Nobody, nobody. Somebody, somebody. Spelling anomaly. With a was in an American accent, wasn't. What in American English, with OE, does is a verb and doesn't. With OO, blood, flood. With OUGH, enough, rough, tough. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Till we meet again, I wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye bye.